In this video, I'll be showing you how you can connect your wired headphones to your Samsung Galaxy S26. Now, the S26 doesn't come with a 3.5mm port, so in order for you to be able to connect your wired headphones, you need to use an adapter. Now, these are some examples of adapters you can use. This one allows you to connect a charger as well as the headphones, and this one is just for the headphones only. So simply ensure that you have an adapter that looks like one of these two items. If you're curious as to where you can purchase it, then I'll leave the links for them down in the description below. Then from here, you're going to go ahead and grab the 3.5mm end and connect it to the adapter port like so, and then insert the adapter into your S26. Once you've done that, you can then go ahead and test it by simply playing some audio. And if you can hear audio coming out from your headphones, it means that they've been successfully connected and detected. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.